So, good evening to everyone viewing my video. COVID-19. We had to prepare a PowerPoint presentation on COVID-19 outbreak all over the world. So, I have made this PPT as a project of mine. So, let's get started. Uh, when this COVID-19 virus came back in India, so that many of us had so many questions regarding this virus. So first question is, what is this COVID-19 virus? COVID-19 is a disease. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Uh, it is a kind of disease in which we get some cough, cold, and fever, and all that. So some people may get severe problems, and some people may get less problems with this, depending on their immunity. So next, move on to our next question. That is, what are its symptoms? What are its symptoms? Most people infected with COVID-19 virus experience mild to moderate respiratory illness. Mild to moderate respiratory illness means blockage in the nose, or difficulty in breathing, or sneezing and all that. But they can recover without any special treatment. Older peoples with those and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. These diseases were already in our life, and they caused many of the people. They were diseases that were very kind of called can be called dangerous, and these diseases become more dangerous when the COVID-19 virus attacks in our body. We can say that. What to do during this COVID-19 outbreak? What to do? The best way to prevent and slow down the transmission is be well informed about COVID-19 virus. As I told you all the symptoms, and we will be discussing about preventions in the next slides. We will be more aware about all the information about this disease, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. Protect yourself from others from infection by washing your hands or using a alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face. Alcohol-based rub means sanitizer, and frequently not touching your face, because this virus causes a respiratory disease. We need not to touch our nose, eyes, mouth, and ears whenever we are exposed to outer surfaces. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva discharged from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you practice respiratory uh, etiquettes. You also practice respiratory etiquettes. For example, by coughing into a flex blow. Some etiquettes, like we had different etiquettes for eating etiquette, table etiquettes, but now in these days we need a respiratory etiquette. For example, when we cough, our droplets may come out in the air, and if we are somehow infected with this virus, these droplets would go into another's nose or any other part like ears or mouth, and he will also be infected with this virus. So we shall be sneezing like this in our flexed elbow, in our elbow. If we sneeze with our hand, that is also a bit dangerous. So let's move on to next slide. How to prevent myself from COVID-19. how to prevent myself and others from COVID-19 virus. To prevent the spread of COVID-19 virus, these are the prevention method given below. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Yeah, wearing a mask is essential, but it also creates some problem for some people, because when they already have a respiratory problem, their nose is blocked with the mask. So we need not to wear mask every time. When there is no one around us, we can remove the mask, because this virus doesn't spread from the air. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze, as it was told in the last slide. Stay home if you feel unwell. That is what it is being practiced. Even when people become COVID-19 positive, it is known as quarantine system, where people isolate themselves alone. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Is this virus dangerous? The most common question, is this virus dangerous? It may be called dangerous if it affected a person suffering from any other problems. Like we discussed in our last slides, that if a person is having cancer or any other dangerous diseases, this virus can be a problem for him or her, because his immunity is already affected by that disease, and the virus also attacks it. So it can create severe problems, and person may be kept in ventilator or ICU. But in normal people with fine immunity, even fine immunity needs virus to be killed inside the body. This virus just gives some cough and cold, and the person cures himself herself without any special treatment. This is quoted specially. We need not to have a special treatment if we have a virus, because this has a treatment like we have for our cough and common cold, except in cases with severe problems. Except in cases with severe problems, the person may be cured at home. And again, we need to say this has been proven that this virus can be cured without any special drug, because we have drugs for cough and cold, like different drugs we have, and or any special treatment. We need not to have any special treatment like a surgery or anything else. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you got all I shared to you. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.